Lord, everybody. You know, fathers are a necessity to the unit of the family. Not many of us grew up with having a father there full time. Some persons, none at all. But you know who was a great father? Noah. Oftentimes we don't think of the story of Noah when we think of great fathers. But who else is a better example of having secured all their family members to believe in Jesus Christ, to believe in God, to save them from certain destruction? Noah. Even when you think about the story of Lot, his wife, fell to a demise. He was not able to save her. But Noah was able to secure his entire family to God. And I encourage you to do this today, to give your life over to God and to bring the rest of your family with you into eternity, into a loving relationship with God. In Jesus' name.